Hey, come here. I want to select a multi-bagger stock. To whom should I ask? Shall I ask my relative, my friend, my broker, or any market guru? To whom should I ask? Well, friends, this is the question, a normal question which has been asked by every investor: how to select a multi-bagger stock. But the problem is, instead of doing by his own research, he normally asks his friend, relative, broker, and everyone. And at the end of the day, if that stock does not work, he makes a big loss. Guys, today I'm going to speak about how to select a multi-bagger stock, but on my own way. Because today I'm going to show you how I am selecting a stock. So I'll give you a brief idea. Normally, whenever I select a stock, what are the things to be kept in mind while selecting a stock? Without wasting any time, let's start. Friends, my name is Tapan Doshi and I welcome you to this YouTube channel. So let's start. So friends, before I invest, no, normally I do see the macro and micro picture overall what is going on in the world and here. And see at the end of the day, no, based on macro picture, no, that is having a direct impact on sector in which we are investing. So if the macro picture is not good or is in not good shape, then it may have a direct indirect impact on the sector in which we are investing. Correct. So suppose, for example, like US recession is going on currently, Europe recession is going on currently. So that is having a direct impact on the IT sector. As a result, what is happening that all the IT sectors are down by almost 30 to 35% from its top. So if you are aware of this macro and micro picture, no, at least some of things you can keep in mind while before investing in any stock because it may happen if you are aware of all these sectors and you may get all these stocks at a much more cheaper level. So this thing you have to keep in mind while investing first. Again, once you see the macro and micro picture, then you can go into a sector where you want to invest. It is very important that whichever sector you invest, it is having a very good quality moat. What is moat? Moat is nothing but a strength of a sector. Correct. Similarly, moat is there for the companies also, but here we are talking about the moat of a sector. So, what are the strength of the sector? So, like talking of the IT sector, no, like brand, then capital involvement, labor, then technology. All these are different strength of this IT sector. If the sector's IT strength is good, then only it will able to sustain against its competitor. So that is very important to understand the strength and weaknesses of sector. Once you are aware of that, no, then only better to invest in that particular sector because understand invest in a sector where there is a very good tailwind. If there is a tailwind, that sector will go up only. But if there is no tailwind, then there is a problem. So better to understand the sector tailwind and everything, then only you invest. So suppose you have seen, for example, IT sector, you are aware of the tailwind and strength and weakness of the sector. Please understand, like current, what is happening in all over the world economy is going down, that is having a direct impact on the IT sector, and as a result, it is down. But when it comes to your values, you should go and buy it, and that is very important, guys. See, you have to buy a stock when there is a blood in the market. If you really want to earn a good money in this market, buy when everyone is selling and sell when everyone is buying. That is the most important thing because when there is a problem in the market, at that time only you are getting all the stock at 30 to 40% discount. And that is very much required if you really want to earn a good amount of money over the time. Once you are able to buy these stocks at a lower level, that will be give you an additional cushion for going wrong. Okay, because it may happen you may go wrong, but if you are bought at a lower level, the chances are less that you will lose less. Correct. So that is the thing. So first you have to select the sector and which you want to invest. Once you know the moat of the sector, strength and weaknesses of the sector, then you can go into selecting a stock. Now I am here no, we're not going to talk about all the ratio analysis and everything because no, that is there in another video which you can click above and where I have given how to select a particular stock within 5 minutes. So you can check that video for your reference. And guys, also I wanted to know your side. Then how you guys are selecting a stock? Based on neighbors' advice or friends' advice, how you are selecting? You just put a note in below, give a comment below, so I'll come to know. So guys, once your sector is selected, now go to the various stock listed in that sector. Again, go to the mid cap, large cap, small cap, all the various stocks, and then you will come to know what are the strength and weaknesses of that stock. Of course, needed, then you go through the ratio analysis and everything, which I have already given in a separate video. You can go through it in detail, so you will come to know whether you should invest in that particular sector or not, sorry, stock or not. So that is very, very important, because see, stock, if it is a good quality stock, you don't have to worry about, because any cycle that good quality stock may go down, but after that there will be a good push on the upside, and that will give you a much better return over the years. And a good quality stock, when it is available at a bargain level, no, you should just go and invest in this stock. That is the main reason why you will be successful. Correct. A good quality stock will actually know go through all the various turbulence in the economy, and will go through the various cycles, and as a result they will give you a much better result over there. It's like, for example, if you talk about Asian Paints, that is giving a CAGR return of almost 25% over last 25 years. Even HDFC Bank has given almost 28% return in last 25 years. Now these are the some of the good quality stocks. Actually, there are many, but I cannot give each and every name. But yes, there are so many good quality stocks available in the market which has performed over the years. Now, once you have bought this stock, then you have to have a good continuous review system in place. Understand? Unless you don't have a continuous review system in place, no, it may happen anytime if that stock go bad. And if you're still holding it and if you're not selling it, then all your profitability will go away. So that is the thing. Have a good review system in place. How to review it, that also I have given in the above video. You can just check it, so you will come to know. But yes, once you first, so as I told you, first see the macro and micro picture at a world level, at India level. Then based on that, whatever their impact on the various share sector, keep in mind. Then on that sector, again you select a stock. Again, my suggestion is to know, if you are investing in IT sector, go to large cap, mid cap, small cap, because no, and if possible, invest in, if you want to invest three stocks in IT stock, then diversify between large cap, mid cap, and small cap. So your return get average on. Normally, no, small cap stock, there is always a no, what you say, the small investors always feel that yes, they should buy a small cap stock that will give you a better return. But as I told you, even large cap stock like Infosys, TCS, HDFC has given a much better return over the years. So don't worry about small cap, mid cap, and large cap, but yes, diversify among them, so at least you can get an average return. And once you invest, keep it for a long term, just have a continuous review system in place. So guys, this is how normally used to analyze any stock in detail. Of course, I have given on an upper level, but yes, as I told you, the videos are there which will tell you in depth how you can select a stock, how to do ratio analysis, P&L, balance sheet, everything. You can just go to the videos which is there at the end screen. And again, guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it. And if you like this video, do like this video. And guys, I'll meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.